So first of all, congratulations, sir, for the successful completion of FC21.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So my first question to you is, what you got out of your participation in FC21?
FC21 में जैसे जगमोहन सर बोलते हैं कि there are 21 elements to financial cash flow and increasing the business growth and efficiency. So I think more or less it got a structured and broad view of understanding how finance actually operates. हम लोग ज़्यादातर accounts में busy हो जाते हैं. We don't look at the bigger picture of finance per se. So by doing FC21, the knowledge increased quite a bit of understanding of each head and each expenses, each system which needs to be implemented in the accounts and the finance department. So that was a major plus in terms of knowledge. Plus FC21 में what is really good is about the handholding. The people you give us to actually go and sit with the accountant. So that really replicates in the implementation. There are a lot of things जो benefit है कि owner को इतना involve नहीं होना होता है, but obvious not every day to basis. वो आपके जो technical team है वो with the accountant takes forward and जो हमारा time बच जाता है उस case में in implementation, that's really helpful. So that's 2 points which I would say कि FC21 has really helped in implementation and knowledge improvement.
Correct. So my next question to you is, FC21 करने से पहले ऐसा कौन सा major challenge था जो आप face कर रहे थे?
Right. FC21 से पहले my involvement in the accounts team was a lot because we did not have proper structures, we did not have proper data flow, we did not have reports to look at, and we did not know कि कब क्या करना है. Usually that used to take a year कि यार जब वो balance sheet closure होनी है तब हम बैठ के debtors reconcile कर रहे, creditors reconcile कर रहे, which has started to happen automatically week on week basis. The accounts team has started taking their responsibility जो उनका actual काम है करने के लिए by doing FC21. So that has really helped in terms of जो हम पहले नहीं कर पा रहे थे. दूसरा है compliances. काफी compliances की headache हमारे ऊपर रहती है. सर ये डेटा ये हुआ नहीं, वो डेटा नहीं आ रहा है. वो through compliance calendars, through a lot of systems now automatically inbuilt हो गया within the accounts team कि सर इस डेट पे हमें ये डेटा भेजना है और ये क्लोज करना है. So that has been very helpful. And third, जो हम पहले नहीं देखते थे कि month on month की report in understanding how the business is actually performing, what is the GP, what is the GOP of the business, what is the revenue, कि हम month on month grow कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं, कहाँ पे हमारा cash flow फंसा हुआ है, working capital क्या है, ये सारी चीजें पता चल गई है कि business के लिए कितना पैसा चाहिए और क्या ROI आ रहा है हमारा. So these are few points which has really changed from before FC21 and after FC21.
Perfect. So my last question to you is, आपको लगता है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा business owners को FC21 करना चाहिए और करना चाहिए तो क्यों?
Right. I feel कि a lot of people, a lot of business owners are full of sales, operations and HR, but they lack the basic acumen of understanding finance. आप सब कुछ कर लो, but at the end the money needs to come from finance only. जो cash आना है, जिसके लिए business कर रहे हैं, the purpose of the business is to generate profit and cash. वो चीज़ हम miss out कर जाते हैं. And इतनी firefighting in everyday process में we don't really understand how detail in depth में हमें जाना चाहिए to understand finance, and we are taking decisions based on assumptions कि ये हो गया तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, but when actual financial numbers come in तो वो track को रखने के लिए, decision making को लेने के लिए and to plan your future, it's very important कि every business owner should do FC21 at least, because क्या होता है कि there is no proper Google Map location guide कि भाई finance में how to automate. तो जगमोहन सर का जो एक कोर्स है, this is just like a Google Map location. आपने एक बार finance पे end goal डाल दिया and during that 3 months journey, 4 months journey, it is really game changing कि how you can actually change your mindset and understanding of the department entirely and the business all as a whole. एंड जब आप एवरी मंथ कुछ ना कुछ रिव्यू कर रहे हो तो आपको लगता है अच्छा ये भी ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ये क्रेडिटर का ऐसा था, ये डेटर का ऐसा था, ये कैश इतना एक्सपेंसेस ज्यादा हो रहा है, इतना सेल कम हो रहा है. देन यू स्टार्ट मेकिंग वाइज डिसीजंस एंड नॉट assumption based decisions. Right
sir. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your valuable feedback.